What's good? What's good with you? Man, we adding multiples on here. We hitting them with the multiples, you know what I'm saying? So look, man, this is what I've done to it so far. Back in here. This is what I've done to it so far. I got my bolt back, you know what I'm saying? Pull the mag out. Drop the bolt. Clear. So this is what we got, my boy. Today, I added my grips up there, my finger stops, hand stop, whatever you want to call it. I added my hand stop there. I added a hand stop right there, so I can zero in on you. Put my beam up there. Feel me? Got my flashlight with a touchpad. You know what I'm saying? Next stop, optics. I got an optic picked out. It's a little pricey though, so I don't know when I'm gonna get it, but I got it picked out. I'm gonna order it, so ain't like they gonna run out of stock from the website, you know what I'm saying? Like, not unless everybody and they fucking mama go and buy one tomorrow. But yeah, man, this is a little update. I love it. I fall in love with this bitch every time I hold it, all over again. Yeah, man, stay tuned.